Color variation can completely change the mood of a pattern, turning the same design into multiple visual identities with minimal effort. How to explore color variations in patterns? Start by opening Photoshop and creating a square canvas around 1500 pixels. Then design your repeating motif using shapes or brushes and distribute copies evenly across the document. Once the arrangement is balanced, group all motif layers and duplicate the group so you can experiment without losing the original. Apply adjustment layers such as hue saturation, gradient map, or color balance above the duplicate group and modify tones gradually while observing how the palette influences visual impact. For more control, select individual motif